Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every iPhone 17 and iPhone 16 Pro user should consider, the Ailun 3-pack tempered glass screen protectors. We found this product online, and I've added a link in the description so you can easily check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what makes these screen protectors a must-have accessory for your phone. The Ailun screen protectors are designed specifically for the iPhone 17 and iPhone 16 Pro models, featuring a 6.3-inch display. Each protector is made from 0.33mm tempered glass, which means they're incredibly thin while still offering maximum protection against scratches, scrapes, and bumps. However, keep in mind that these protectors are not compatible with the iPhone 16e, iPhone 16 6.1-inch, iPhone 16 Pro Max 6.9-inch, iPhone 16 Plus 6.7-inch, iPhone 17 Pro 6.3-inch, iPhone Air 6.5-inch, or the iPhone 17 Pro Max 6.9-inch. One of the standout features of the Ailun screen protectors is the high-definition ultra-clear rounded glass. This ensures that you maintain 99.99% touchscreen accuracy, allowing for a seamless interaction with your device. You won't have to worry about losing sensitivity when using your apps or games, which is a significant advantage for anyone who relies heavily on touch functionality. Additionally, the protectors come with a hydrophobic and oleophobic coating. This means they are designed to resist both sweat and oil, which helps keep your screen clear of fingerprints and smudges. The last thing you want is a messy screen, and this feature makes it easier to keep your iPhone looking pristine. Installation is another crucial aspect to consider, and the Ailun screen protectors excel here as well. The package includes an installation frame that simplifies the process. You simply align the protector properly and remove any dust before applying it to ensure a bubble-free finish. Once installed, it feels as if the protector isn't even there, allowing you to enjoy your screen's full brilliance without any distractions. So, who is this product suitable for? If you own an iPhone 17 or iPhone 16 Pro and are looking for a reliable way to protect your investment, these screen protectors are an excellent choice. They are perfect for anyone who might be prone to dropping their phone, or for those who frequently find themselves in environments where their phone could be scratched or damaged. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who values their devices, these protectors can provide peace of mind. In practical use cases, think about day-to-day activities. If you're someone who takes your phone on outdoor adventures, whether it's hiking, biking, or even just a casual day out, having these screen protectors can help you avoid those unavoidable scratches. Similarly, if you're a parent with kids who love to play games on your phone, these protectors can withstand the wear and tear that comes from little hands. In summary, the Ailun 3-pack tempered glass screen protectors for the iPhone 17 and iPhone 16 Pro offer impressive features, including maximum scratch protection, high-definition clarity, and easy installation. They are ideal for anyone looking to keep their device safe from everyday hazards while maintaining an optimal user experience.